Right, hurricane coming. I just wanted to show you guys a quick install. I have a cement block home, and I wanted to show you guys what I did, the easiest, cheesiest way to get electricity into the house if you have a small generator, not one of those whole house generators, but something where you just want to run an outlet or some power into the house, but not have to run extension cords into the house, because of course you'll got to leave a door open or window open in a hurricane, tropical storm, whatever, that creates quite a mess. So anyway, this is the way I did it. These kits, and I have the receipt here just to kind of give you an idea of what this cost. It was real cheap. I didn't use any transfer boxes or anything special. Basically what I did was I used a sacrificial, this white cord here. I'm not going to open it because I have some of that spray foam in there. But basically I bought a extension, a surge protector basically, and I cut the wire off of it. It's used as a sacrificial, and this became the male side, so that way coming off the generator is the female side, because you don't want that to be a male side. That could kill you. So anyway, so that's the female side into the male side, which was a sacrifice, and then I ran this through the wall, and I have a cement block house. And basically for the outside, I didn't actually use a box. I just used a clear gang cover. And it's waterproof, and then I just kind of sealed it around with some caulk. Obviously I just did it. It's clear caulk. It'll dry and look a little bit better. Disregard this wire. This was another wire that was originally in the house. It's just some coaxial cable. So in any event, I ran from the generator, which is over in a shed, up to this wire, and then this wire I just ran into the house. Okay, so I'll give you an idea. So I know I made a mess, but basically I spray foamed just to act as added insulation into the cement block. I cut a hole, and then I made a mess of the spray foam, because I'm actually doing this right around the time of the hurricane, so it is pouring out, and it was a messy job. But I originally ran the cord in a different way, and I didn't like it, so I put this together again while it's raining. Not a good idea. But anyway, caulked around, used just the gang, or the gang cover, the box cover, I mean, and then spray foamed inside where the cord is, so it should be extra waterproof between the outside here and then the inside. Then I'll show you what the inside of the house looks like. Okay, on the inside of the house, basically what I did was I bought one of these Raceway outlets, Duplex kit. They're outlet box kits. It was like $6.50 at Home Depot, and basically these are used to run wiring on the outside of the walls if you can't run them inside the wall. So they're super easy. And from the other side that I showed you, that side came over here, and then of course I just wired it correctly, the white to the larger or left side, the black to the right side, and then the ground or green also placed on the receptacle on the green bolt. And easy enough. And then I just put this together this way, and so now the power runs through the house. Make sure, especially if you're running like 3,000 or 4,000 watt generators, that you're using a decent amperage wire. If you're going to run, just like you would an extension cord, and depending on how much draw you're going to put into the house, you're going to want, like I said, a decent gauge wire for your for the cord that runs through the block. So that's basically it. So all in all, this cost me, for the power strip, it was $4.50 at Home Depot. The gang cover was $7.59, and the Raceway, this whole set here, including the outlet, six bucks. So it came out to less than $20 to put this together. Of course, you have the tools to be able to drill through the block, or if you have a wood house, to get through the material. But I just wanted to show you a quick way to get power into the house, and it seems to be working fine so far. If you try it, let me know how it goes. This is, I'm sure, not code, and whatever you do, be careful. My disclaimer would be that I'm not responsible for anything that happens to your home for following these instructions. I'm not an electrician or a professional in this area. This is just something that I did that seems to work, and it's for short-term usage, just in case of short power outages. So, all right, hope you guys have a great day. Take care.